channel and welcome back to my first welcome back to my first official vlog of 2020. So we have some plans today. We've actually been so busy recently, I just didn't vlog anything. So here's what we're gonna do. We're going to the mall quickly, and then at 3 o'clock, it's 12 o'clock right now, 3 o'clock I have a doctor's appointment because I have tonsils and this area is just congested, so we're gonna go fix that. Bright and early in the year, we're starting it like all the way sick with tonsils. Well, it was my fault because I ate pork and I know that pork gives me tonsils. So anyway, I wanted to try some gammon and it's so good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so good. I wanted us to buy it every month. My throat can't handle it. So anyway, my Amazon package just came in. There you go. I'm gonna open it on camera with you so you can see before everyone else in the house. So here's the package. My dress is on the other side, so here it is. I bought a Starbucks Siren logo reusable plastic cold cup. This is in the venti size. It's bubble wrapped, real good. It came all the way from New York, so I saw what's her name? Michelle Aldridge. She was Taylor, but she's Michelle Aldridge now. And so I have this thing where I collect these cups. Well, not really collect. Okay, so I just sat down quickly. I have this thing where I really like buying Starbucks cups, but they're really specific if I like it. Like, I didn't like any of the Christmas ones that they had now. So I saw Michelle drinking out of a Starbucks cup and it was clear, but it was frosted. And I was like, oh my gosh, I want that. I want that cup. So I searched it and I found it on Amazon. It was $12.95, and then shipping was $10.68, and then the overall total was $23.63. Here's the receipt. This is how the cup looks. This is the lid. It's just a clear plastic. It's not like cheap plastic, the one that you throw away. It's pretty like sturdy, like normal plastic. And then it comes with this clear top lid. It's beautiful. It's a clear cup with all the thingy-mabobbies that you can choose. So you can take this to Starbucks and have them make your drink in this cup if you want to. And the lid clips on. There we go. And then here is the straw. So yeah, I really liked it. I saw it on Michelle's vlog. Maybe I'll link the vlog down below. It's the one before they left. I think 2 vlogs before they left. I'm not sure though. But yeah, this is the cup. It's so pretty. I love it. I'm obsessed. Okay, it's 12:08. We need to leave. So let's go to the mall. I just got this drink. Let you face the other way. It's an iced chai tea latte, and she got a peppermint cafe mocha. Yeah, it's so refreshing. Look at the line. Looking for a lip balm. Oh my gosh, you guys, so we're in CNA. And I saw this book yesterday. It's so cute. It has a little bow and the polka dot. But it's like 80 bucks. Actually, it's 90 bucks, bro. We're gonna get in trouble here. We're gonna get in trouble for sure.
Don't come here.
No. Oh. Can you have too many flannels? If they're the same color, yeah. Look at the pants first, you know. Oh, I think these are maternity pants. I want these. They're tights. How cute. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, guys, so we're in the fitting room at H&M. And let's fit. We have quite a number of stuff to get through. Let's get this shown on the road. So here's the first dress. It's pretty cute. It's a nice length for me. The back is slightly higher. There we go. There's the back. It's pretty cute. I like it. I don't have anything like it. It's very, like, I can dress it up. I can dress it down. It's got pockets. And the sale price is $170. I don't know, bro. Next. Okay, so here's the third piece. It's a t-shirt dress. I'm obsessed. It's so nice. It's so comfortable. It fits perfectly. It's got like the round neck, and it's just a normal plain t-shirt dress. Here's the front. Pretty modest. Here's the back. I love it. It's in a 3X. The sale price is $150. I love it. This is a 3X. I have one in a 4X. I'm gonna try it on just to see, but I love the way this one sits. It's actually perfect. No pockets, which is cool. Like the summers, it's amazing. So the summers here are like insanely hot. Like when I have money, I'm gonna spend my summers in a different country because this is like unbearable. Okay, you guys, so I thought I had a 4X in the t-shirt dress, but it's actually a different dress completely. This one looks like a shirt, like an oversized shirt. It's in the size 4X. The sale price is $170. It's super cute. It's actually really cute. I love it. It's pretty long at the back too. Wow. Okay. Besides, it is kind of making me look huge. So like you could totally like belt it, or like if you're going for this oversized like slouchy look. Oh, like this is cute. I feel like it's cute. It's also really big, but it's so cute. You know what I mean? Can I stretch this out? Yeah. Okay, we'll see what this is. Like, we're almost done now. Okay, here we go. It's almost like a t-shirt dress, but it doesn't have arms. It's got pockets, though, which is nice. But I don't like how I look overall. It's probably a no for me. Makes me look like I have hips, which I don't think I do. Yeah, it's cute. The sale price is $100. Let's try this again for the third time. Here's the shorts that I found. They're 4X. I don't like how they sit, but they're cute. Like, they're the whole like biker short type thing. This is not the biker short material. They're nice. They are $70. I think I might get them. They're cute. And this top, I'm not really this print girl, so I'm not gonna get that. Hey guys, so we're walking out of H&M. I tried everything on. I left the dress because I was just like, ah. Hey guys, so I just arrived at my doctor. I'm like 5 minutes late. That's fine.
I'm vlogging.
No. Okay guys, we're back home. It's like 6:30, 6:20 actually. We're back. That is the end of today. I just got some stuff from DMF. I'll haul the stuff from DMF, but I'll probably show you what I got just in a little bit. And then I'll haul it properly and try it on in a video. Before I forget, let me show you the things I got from DMF. DMF? Yes. I mentioned them earlier. I'll try them on in a proper haul video, but my battery is literally about to die. So let's do this quickly. The first dress is this mesh. Well, that mesh was kind of aggressive. This mesh dress. This is from Boohoo. As you can see, it's in a size UK 22, US 18. It's all stretch, and it was part of their Halloween collection. I remember seeing it on the website. It's really cute, like with the nice bodycon slip on kind of dress underneath, or like a shaping dress from Woolworths something. I got this for $2.99, but this is what it's called. I don't know if it's still on the website. And then this dress is also from Boohoo. You'll see it properly when I try it on. But it's a beautiful dress, my gosh. So it's just a plain black dress, right? Simple. And then these frills at the top kind of hang off the shoulder in a really like fancy and elegant way. This one is in the size, in this size 22, and it's this plus Frankie double strap off shoulder midi dress. Beautiful. I'll show you properly in the try on haul. Oh. Okay guys, so it's 9:45 and I think I'm going to end the vlog. I don't know if I have enough content from today to make an entire vlog, but I'm gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video.